To 3:30, we have the Patriot jet team. You see them tacking out on the runway. They're going to be taking off here in just a few moments. And they're going to be performing for us today. Some incredible formation aerobatics. The Patriot jet team. And of course, still to come, who's ready for the United States Air Force Thunderbird?
Yeah!
You're almost done, huh? Oh, 1 more hour left.
What an amazing afternoon, and we still got more to go at the Wings Over Solano 2026 Air Show. Hey, listen, it looks like you're doing an incredible job out there keeping the ramp area nice and clean. Thank y'all for doing that.
Here we go!
As the Patriot jet team, throttles coming forward.
Man, look!
Again, we want to say a big thank you to the many sponsors who are supporting this weekend's air show. Again, No Buck Rogers. Thank you to T-Mobile. T-Mobile, powering missions across the country. T-Mobile for government delivers secure, high-performance 5G.